This video demonstrates how to use your access or activation code from Campion Education to help you easily activate your eText. Each publisher has different steps you will need to follow. We will guide you through the process for each publisher to make it as easy as possible for you to get started. After you've ordered your eText through Campion Education, you received an email containing the details of the eText you ordered, including your unique access code, the publisher website, and instructions on how to access your eText. To get started, click on the publisher website link in your email or enter it into your web browser. This will take you to the Pearson Places Activation website. Firstly, you'll need to verify whether you already have a Pearson Places account by entering your student email address and clicking the Get Started button. If you have an existing Pearson Places account, the system will tell you. If you have forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Your Password link. Enter the student email address on your existing account and click Submit to have an email sent to your inbox with a link to reset your password. If you have an existing Pearson Places account, sign in using your existing email or username and password. Click Sign In. If you are a new user, Pearson Places will ask you to create an account. Enter your full name and check your email address. We recommend you use your school student email address, but if you don't have one, use a personal email address. Enter a password. Tick the box to confirm you agree to the terms of service, then click Next. Pearson Places will send an email to the email address you entered, which contains the details of your account. We recommend you keep the email from Pearson in a safe place so that you can access it later if needed. Once you're registered or logged in, you'll be asked to activate your Pearson Places product using an access code. You'll find the access code in your email from Campion Education. Enter the access code into the boxes as requested. Click Verify Product. Pearson Places double checks your product, so the details of your eText will be displayed. To activate it, check that the correct product is displayed, and if it is, click Yes, Activate Now. Once activated, you'll be taken to your homepage bookshelf. Your new eText will be displayed on your bookshelf.
If you've had any problems or still need help, you can email our digital support help desk at digitalhelp@campion.com.au. Please provide us with your student email, student name, the name of your school, and a brief description of the issue you are having. We hope you have found this video useful. For more help videos and step-by-step guides, visit us at campion.com.au.